Corpus has been around, no?
Yeah, he's been around for a very long time.
As a matter of fact,
Mac, waka pa tama sa ano dyan, sipa. Striker yan.
So, dito na ulit siya na laban. Gutom sa laban.
oh!
Immediately.
He tried to touch the gloves, but
Yan, huwag ka pa tama, sipa.
that's a clever way to do it.
Yeah. Pero alam naman natin, bago sila laban.
Mac, huwag ka lapit, Mac.
Leg kick or propaganda there.
Oh, head kick.
Corpus misses with the head kick.
Kaya natin ngayon, aggressive ngayon si Corpus. Corpus tayo naman.
Sisipa yan, Mark. Huwag ka lalapit.
Oh, right in the face.
Huwag ka lalapit dyan, ha. Sisipa yan.
Sabi guys, hindi Corpus, relax lang siya.
Relax lang, pero Corpus is very agile right now. Look at that footwork.
Nakita natin, more counter punch nito siya.
He's very bouncy.
Oh, head kick.
Yan.
Another one.
Oh,
Sus!
Corpus is hitting the air right now.
Mark, huwag ka malapit dyan, ha.
He's striking.
Huwag ka pa sipa dyan.
Pero kung tumama yung ball,
Oh, malakas yun.
somebody gonna really hurt.
Somebody gonna hurt.
Yep.
Mac, Mac.
Pero tingnan natin kung
Mark.
usually kapag ganito ka-aggressive ang mga fighters sa striking, you need to back it up with a good gas. Gas tank mo dapat yung hininga mo, yung cardio mo mataas.
Let's go.
Yan. Yan. Suplex. Yan, yan. Yan. Yan, granny pound. Granny pound.
Yeah, immediately transition.
Bukbo ka. O, chok. Yan. Yan. Chok. Chok.